What is the process of a smartphone's touchscreen? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the process of a smartphone's touchscreen. As we all use smartphones on a daily basis, I thought it would be interesting to dive deeper into how the most important part of our smartphones work, the touchscreen. Short 1. Introduction. Let's start by understanding what a touchscreen is. A touchscreen is an electronic visual display that can detect the presence and location of a touch within the display area. Today, touchscreens are used in most smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Short 2. Types of touchscreens. There are primarily two types of touchscreens: capacitive touchscreens and resistive touchscreens. Capacitive touchscreens work by responding to the electrical properties of your body, while resistive touchscreens work by responding to pressure. Short 3. Inside a capacitive touchscreen. Since capacitive touchscreens are the most commonly used type, let's take a closer look at how they work. Inside a capacitive touchscreen, there are multiple layers of glass. The innermost layer has a grid of tiny wires that are not visible to the naked eye. Short 4. How a capacitive touchscreen works. When you touch the surface of a capacitive touchscreen, it disrupts the electrical field in the grid of wires. This disruption is detected by the touchscreen controller and it calculates the location of the touch based on the changes in the electrical field. Short 5. Benefits of capacitive touchscreens. Capacitive touchscreens have many advantages over resistive touchscreens. They are more responsive, have better clarity and brightness, and are highly durable. Short 6. Conclusion. That's all for today's video on the process of a smartphone's touchscreen. I hope you enjoyed learning something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video.